Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to link pages together on your Shopify store. We are in the mobile app that you can download straight from the App Store or the Play Store. So once you're in, this is what it'll look like, and you're going to go over now to the bottom right hand side. Now I'm going to show you two ways to do this. Let's go over to the bottom of the page, and we're going to go first into the three lines. From here you can see a bunch of options, and we're going to go over now to our online store. All right, we're going to open this up, and you can see now that just under manage all themes you have blog posts, pages, and navigation. Now what we're going to do is go into pages, and from here you can select the page that you would like to redirect to. All right, so the one that we're linking to. So let's just say I want to take the contact page and I want to link that in my products page. Okay, so here's the contacts page, and on the right hand side you will see three dots. Let's tap that and say view page. What will happen now is it'll open on your browser. Okay, this is your contacts page. Now what you need to do is tap into that bar at the top where your URL is and hit the copy button, which is the two pages on top of each other. Okay, we're going to go back out here and we're going to go back to our Shopify store. Now once we're here, we're going to go back out of the contact page. We're going to go back into pages, and now we're going to look for the page that we would like to link to our contact page. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, and as I mentioned before, I'm going to use our product page. So let's go into products here. And what you'll see is it's got a title, and then just under title it's got content. Okay, so you're going to click in this box over here. You're going to just tap that, and here you can write something nifty like need help, click here. And the here, you're going to double tap on it, and it's going to select that word. Now you're going to hyperlink the contacts page to this word. Okay, so you can leave it as just the word here, or you can go ahead and you can drag over and select the click here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tap this little icon. It looks like a link. And over here, you're going to say link to, and we are going to tap in that link that we just copied from our contacts page. And here we can select whether it opens the link in the same window or a new window. I always like the new window because that means your customer stays in your products page or whatever previous window they were in. And you can then also have a link title, which is optional, which is used for accessibility as well as SEO. You're going to now tap insert link, and right at the top on the right hand side you're going to hit the tick button, and there you go. Now when you open the products page, all right, just at the top of the products page you'll have a link that says need help, click here. So you can check this by jumping into your store and double checking it. So on the top right hand side you have the eyeball icon, and this will allow you to view your store. You can jump into that page and see if it actually is linked or not. Now if this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.